Minus 20. Fucking gate. Gonna teach you what you do at minus 20 when your gate's a piece of shit. Step 1, make sure the wife's not looking. Step 2, get the power saw out. It fixes everything. But it's minus 20. You think the bitch is gonna start? Probably not. Look at this bullshit. She might hear us. Don't forget there's the fucking lock on the other side. Even the dogs thinks I'm crazy. Now time for the finishing. Next video is how you do moldings with a chainsaw.